Have you recently gotten a new to you vehicle and you're scared to death that something is going to happen to it? I call it the new car curse, and it is a thing. I'm smirking because on my 2-week-old 2022 Ram 2500, I'll show you my little new car curse. Thankfully, it is very minor, first world problem, but it is still very much a thing. I would hear a lot, all the time, oh, I was in an accident, oh, somebody scratched my car, I've had it for a week. We had one guy at work, I'll call Rivers, that within like the first 2 months of ownership, he was in 2 minor fender benders on the car he sold himself. I'm curious if you've ever had something happen to a new to you vehicle that you've had for a very little amount of time. It was my own doing. I opened it up into the rack, chipped off a little paint. Here, I'll show you. Very minor, you know. What I'm gonna do about it is get some touch-up paint, color properly, and put on some door edge guards. So that way when I open it tight in the garage, it will not hit and damage it anymore. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are if you've ever had something like this happen on a brand new vehicle to you.